Your question is, what could be the maximum time limit of 0 hour in the Lok Sabha? Your options are A 30 minutes, B 1 hour, C indefinite period, or D 2 hours. Right answer is B 1 hour. Your question is, time of 0 hour in parliament is. Your options are A 9 am to 10 am, B 10 am to 11 am, C 11 am to 12 noon, or D 12 noon to 1 pm. Right answer is C and D, 11 am to 12 noon and 12 noon to 1 pm. Your question is, a money bill passed by Lok Sabha is deemed to have been passed by Rajya Sabha also when no action is taken by the Rajya Sabha within. Your options are A 10 days, B 14 days, C 15 days, or D 16 days. Right answer is B 14 days. Your question is, Rajya Sabha can delay the finance bill sent for its consideration by Lok Sabha for a maximum period of. Your options are A 1 month, B 1 year, C 7 days, or D 14 days. Right answer is D 14 days. Your question is, which one of the following statements is correct? Your options are A money bill is introduced in Rajya Sabha, B money bill is introduced in Lok Sabha, C it can be introduced in either of the houses of the parliament, or D it cannot be introduced in Lok Sabha. Right answer is B money bill is introduced in Lok Sabha. Your question is, if a money bill is accepted in Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha can withhold it maximum up to. Your options are A 6 months, B 4 months, C 1 month, or D 14 days. Right answer is D 14 days. Your question is, money bill is introduced in. Your options are A Lok Sabha, B Rajya Sabha, C joint sitting of both the houses, or D none of the above. Right answer is A Lok Sabha. Your question is, the joint session of both houses of parliament is presided over by. Your options are A president, B vice president, C speaker of Lok Sabha, or D chief justice of India. Right answer is C speaker of Lok Sabha. Your question is, consider the following statements. 1. The joint sitting of both houses of the parliament in India is sanctioned under Article 108 of the Constitution. 2. The first joint sitting of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha was held in the year 1961. 3. The second joint sitting of both houses of Indian parliament was held to pass the Banking Service Commission repeal bill. Which of the following statements is or are correct? Your options are A 1 and 2, B 2 and 3, C 1 and 3, or D 1, 2 and 3. Right answer is D 1, 2 and 3. Your question is, who among the following is authorized to preside over the joint session of the parliament? Your options are A President of India, B Vice President of India, C Prime Minister of India, or D Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Right answer is D Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Your question is, who has the right to issue money from the Consolidated Fund of India? Your options are A Comptroller and Auditor General, B Finance Minister of India, C Authorized Minister, or D none of the above. Right answer is D none of the above. Your question is, consider the following statements. 1. The chairman and the deputy chairman of the Rajya Sabha are not the members of that house. 2. While the nominated members of the both houses of the parliament have no voting right in the presidential election, they have right to vote in the election of the vice president. Which of the following statement given above is or are correct? Your options are A only 1, B only 2, C both 1 and 2, or D neither 1 nor 2. Right answer is B only 2. Your question is, which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution is related to contingency fund? Your options are A Article 265, B Article 266, C Article 267, or D Article 268. Right answer is C Article 267. Your question is, which one of the following expenditure is not charged on the Consolidated Fund of India? Your options are A salary and allowances of the Chief Justice of India, B salary and allowances of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India, C salary and allowances of the Prime Minister of India, or D salary and allowances of the Chairman of the Union Public Service Commission. Right answer is C salary and allowances of the Prime Minister of India. Your question is, which one of the following expenditures is not charged on the Consolidated Fund of India? Your options are A salary and allowances of the President of India, B salary and allowances of the Vice President of India, C salary and allowances of the Justices of the Supreme Court of India, or D salary and allowances of the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Right answer is B salary and allowances of the Vice President of India. Your question is, which is the largest item under non-plan expenditure of central government? Your options are A. Defense, B. Subsidy, C. Interest payment, D. Pension, or E. None of these. Right answer is C. Interest payment. Your question is, the authorization for the withdrawal of funds from the Consolidated Fund of India must come from. Your options are A. The President of India, B. The Parliament of India, C. The Prime Minister of India, or D. The Union Finance Minister. Right answer is B. The Parliament of India. Your question is, how can the president spend from contingency fund? Your options are A. In time of natural calamity, B. After authorization of parliament, C. Before authorization of parliament, or D. Cannot spend. Right answer is C. Before authorization of parliament. Your question is, which one of the following subject is not included in the provisions of the money bills? Your options are A. Provision regarding taxes, B. Provision regarding borrowings, C. Provision regarding custody of the consolidated and contingency funds, or D. Provision for imposition of fines or penalties. Right answer is D. Provision for imposition of fines or penalties. Your question is, of the following statements, which one is not correct? Your options are A. The Rajya Sabha is powerless in money matters, B. Money bill is introduced in the Rajya Sabha, C. The Rajya Sabha has to pass the money bill within 14 days after it has been passed by the Lok Sabha, or D. The Rajya Sabha may pass or return the money bill with some recommendations to the Lok Sabha. Right answer is B. Money bill is introduced in the Rajya Sabha. Your question is, regarding the money bill, which of the following statements is not correct? Your options are A. A bill shall be deemed to be a money bill if it contains only provisions relating to imposition, abolition, remission, alteration, or regulation of any tax. B. A money bill has provisions for the custody of the Consolidated Fund of India or the Contingency Fund of India. C. A money bill is concerned with the appropriation of monies out of the Contingency Fund of India, or D. A money bill deals with the regulation of borrowing of money or giving of any guarantee by the Government of India. Right answer is C. A money bill is concerned with the appropriation of monies out of the Contingency Fund of India. Your question is, which one of the following statements is not correct with regard to control of Parliament on a budget? Your options are A. Parliament does not have any role in the creation of the budget, B. Parliament has the power to move on the charged expenditure on the consolidated fund, C. Parliament has no power to impose a tax without the recommendation of the President, or D. Parliament has no power to increase any tax without the recommendation of the President. Right answer is B. Parliament has the power to move on the charged expenditure on the consolidated fund. Your question is, which of the following is responsible for preparation and presentation of Union Budget in the Parliament? Your options are A. Department of Revenue, B. Department of Economic Affairs, C. Department of Financial Services, or D. Department of Expenditure. Right answer is B. Department of Economic Affairs. Your question is, if the annual union budget is not passed by the Lok Sabha, your options are A. The budget is modified and presented again, B. The budget is referred to the Rajya Sabha for suggestions, C. The Union Finance Minister is asked to resign, or D. The Prime Minister submits the resignation of Council of Ministers. Right answer is D. The Prime Minister submits the resignation of Council of Ministers. Your question is, under which of the following taxes the total amount payable by an individual is limited to by the Constitution? Your options are A. Corporation tax, B. Estate duty, C. Succession duty, or D. Tax on profession, trade and callings. Right answer is D. Tax on profession, trade and callings. Your question is, economic survey is presented in Parliament every year. Your options are A. Before presentation of the budget for the coming year, B. After presentation of the budget for the coming year, C. After presentation of finance bill, or D. and has no relation with presentation of the budget. Right answer is A. Before presentation of the budget for the coming year. Your question is, the stages in the normal financial legislation include 1. Presentation of the budget, 2. Discussion on the budget, 3. Passing of appropriation bill, 4. Vote on account, 5. Passing of the finance bill. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. Codes. Your options are A. 1, 2 and 3, B. 1, 3 and 4, C. 1, 2, 3 and 4, or D. 1, 2, 3 and 5. Right answer is D. 1, 2, 3 and 5. Presentation of the budget, discussion on the budget, passing of appropriation bill, and passing of the finance bill. Your question is, according to the law enacted by Parliament in December 1989, the legal age for a citizen to become major is. Your options are A. 23 years, B. 22 years, C. 20 years, or D. 18 years. Right answer is D. 18 years. Your question is, the Consultative Committee of Members of Parliament for Railway Zones is constituted by which of the following? Your options are A. President of India, B. Ministry of Railways, C. Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, or D. Ministry of Transport. Right answer is C. Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. Your question is, examine the following statements and choose the correct answer from the given options. 1. Right to property is not a fundamental right now. 2. Rajya Sabha can stop a financial bill. 3. In the preamble of Indian Constitution, secular and democratic words were added by 42nd Amendment of the Indian Constitution. 4. Any dispute of the Parliament can be resolved by the system of a Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Courts. Your options are A. 1 and 2, B. 1 and 3, C. 1 and 4, or D. 2 and 3. Right answer is A. 1 and 2. Right to property is not a fundamental right now, and Rajya Sabha can stop a financial bill. Your question is, with reference to Indian polity, which one of the following statements is correct? Your options are A. Planning Commission is accountable to Parliament. B. President can make ordinance only when either of the two houses of Parliament is not in session. 3. The minimum age prescribed for appointment as a judge of the Supreme Court is 40 years. Or D. National Development Council is constituted of Union Finance Minister and the Chief Ministers of all the states. Right answer is B. President can make ordinance only when either of the two houses of Parliament is not in session. Your question is, which is largest committee of the Indian Parliament? Your options are A. The Public Accounts Committee, B. The Estimates Committee, C. The Committee on Public Undertakings, or D. The Committee on Petitions. Right answer is B. The Estimates Committee. Your question is, which of the following are financial committees of Indian Parliament? A. Estimates Committee, B. Public Accounts Committee, C. Committee on Public Undertakings, D. Joint Committee on Salaries and Allowance for Members of Parliament. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Codes. Your options are A, C and D, B, A, B and D, C, A, B and C, or D, B, C and D. Right answer is C, A, B and C. Estimates Committee, Public Accounts Committee, and Committee on Public Undertakings. Your question is, with reference to the Parliament of India, which of the following parliamentary committees scrutinizes and reports to the House whether the powers to make regulations, rules, sub-rules, bylaws, etc. conferred by the Constitution or delegated by the Parliament are being properly exercised by the Executive within the scope of such delegation? Your options are A. Committee on Government Assurances, B. Committee on Subordinate Legislation, C. Rules Committee, or D. Business Advisory Committee. Right answer is B. Committee on Subordinate Legislation. Your question is, what is the object of cut motion? Your options are A. To put check on the policies of the government, B. To stop the functioning of ruling party, C. To move a proposal to reduce expenditure in the budget proposals, D. Rejection of complete financial dealings of the government, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is C. To move a proposal to reduce expenditure in the budget proposals. Your question is, sovereignty of Indian Parliament is restricted by. Your options are A. Powers of the President of India, B. Judicial review, C. Leader of the opposition, or D. Powers of the Prime Minister of India. Right answer is B. Judicial review. Your question is, in which year was the office of the Parliamentary Secretary created first time in independent India? Your options are A. 1951, B. 1952, C. 1957, or D. 1962. Right answer is B. 1952. Your question is, the Golden Jubilee of Indian Parliament was celebrated on. Your options are A. 1/1/1997, B. 15/8/1997, C. 26/1/2002, or D. 13/5/2002. Right answer is D. 13/5/2002. Your question is, who was the nationalist leader to be elected as a Speaker of Central Legislative Assembly in 1925? Your options are A. Motilal Nehru, B. Vittalbhai Patel, C. Vallabhbhai Patel, or D. C.R. Das. Right answer is B. Vittalbhai Patel.